if you are believer of Sanatana, Swami Vedavyas is married. His son, Sukhmuni, he said, I will not marry. They said, if you don't do, there is a scriptures, they say, that once he was going and he saw there was a big pit, very deep pit, and so many jivas, they were hanging upside down in a lot of pain. So he went to them and he said, why you are doing that? They said, we are your ancestors, we are your pitras. And you have decided to not to get married. So we are achieving adhogati, we are stuck here. It's a cycle which is there. So this has to be, it's a responsibility. If you have got a sharira, then you must follow the principle of nature. Sant Kabir Das ji or all great saints, right from Maharshi Vashishta, Agastya Mahamuni, all those, they were all married. And with the marriage, and in good old days, if you see our Sanatana, they used to build an ashram in the forest, and they all used to be with their wives. This is one trend. Now, we should not say that, okay, then those who are not married, they are doing wrong. Nothing is doing wrong. What we have to see is what is their soul agenda. A Maharshi, because in our Sannyasi Samaj, the biggest respect is given to any sannyasi is the Vyaspeeth. Like many times I have gone, I have been invited. And humbly they say, you sit on the Vyaspeeth. So Vyaspeeth means the Vedavyas. He is the one who has written the scriptures. And Vyaspeeth, the name, he himself is married, wife and husband both. And one has to follow the principle. One is when you are in samsara, you follow the brahmacharya ashram. Then grastha ashram is the male and female union. Then vanaprastha ashram, now you drift from the male or female relationship and you have completed your worldly affairs, and now your job is to settle and move on to the higher divine energy. And then is the sannyas ashram, where you leave everything. That is one way where everybody has to do. Another is a rishi. Till the time he is in sansara, he is married and he is following these ashrams. And the day he is announced, the day he takes sannyasa, then after that there is no step-by-step vanaprastha. It is instantly, it is a sannyas ashram which is there. And this sannyas ashram is, you have to follow those principles which are there.